Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Tap the three lines at the top right. Then tap Account Center. Next, tap Personal Details. Then select Account Ownership and Control. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. Then choose the account you want to delete. Now, choose Delete Account and tap Continue. Here, select a reason for deleting your account. Then tap Continue. Scroll down and tap Continue again. Then, enter your password and tap Continue. Finally, tap Delete Account to confirm. Your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now scheduled for permanent deletion. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.